Today I'm gonna show you one app where you can practice your English. This is a really great app where you can spend time on a daily basis and start practicing your English, right? Let's try to begin. I'm gonna just, without wasting any time, just begin to share with your screen.
Welcome to 7 ESL. I'm Linda Taylor, your teacher. May I have your name, please?
Absolutely. My name is Lakhan Damani.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Could you tell me your native language?
For sure, why not?
Wonderful. How would you like to set up your 7 ESL account?
Of course, why not? I'm gonna simply sign in here. We have a tech lesson with Maria and speaking test. You can see here a lot of things. So speaking topic, and here we have some tutors. Suppose I'm going to continue any one of them. So I'm gonna simply go to this one, learn. I'm gonna simply click the first one here above, go. Okay.
Hi there. How's your day going? Any exciting projects in procurement today?
No, absolutely not. Everything is going well, and my day is just pretty much busy. And here, no, there's nothing much. I think I'm gonna start over, so I'm gonna say that there's nothing interesting going on in my life here. So just sitting and trying to help students practice the English. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Just busy with procurement tasks. Helping students sounds rewarding. What age group are you working with?
Well, there is like more like I have adults, so I teach to adults. I just want to ask you, there are some noises from your side. What are those noises are?
Oh, those noises are probably from construction nearby. It's been loud lately. Do the adults enjoy learning English with you?
Yes, I guess they do. And I really like, spending time and speaking this way. By the way, what do you do? Is it Kevin? Am I right? How do you pronounce your whole name?
Yes, it's Kevin Wanjala. You pronounce it Wanjala. I work as a procurement analyst managing supplies and contracts. What about your hobbies?
Well, my hobbies are more like just doing a bit, exercise, some kind of watching movies, listening occasionally some songs. I'm a big fan of some kind of TV series, so that's most of the time I follow. Apart from that, what I do is to teach students, which is one type of. I'm not sure if I include it as a hobby, but I really love it. So that's all. Content creating online, which is one of the best thing for me. So, do you have anything interesting?
Those hobbies sound great. I enjoy making and cooking. I also like watching documentaries. Content creation is awesome. What type of content do you create?
Well, the content I mostly create is more like English for English learners. So for those students they want to practice the English, I'm gonna just put some kind of videos on YouTube channel for helping them. I want to ask you some kind of questions. So what do you think the way you are speaking really slowly, word by word pronunciation? Is it better than speaking fast, like English reduction? What do you prefer?
I think speaking slowly helps clarity, especially for learners. Fast speech can be hard to understand. I often try to balance both. What do your students prefer?
I don't know, somehow they prefer fast English, and I think which can be interesting. I totally agree with you. Yeah, what you said. Speaking slowly helps clarity and helping them understand better. But still, I want you to speak fast. Let me see how do you speak fast, like with English reduction. Do you do that?
I understand. Speaking fast helps some students. I use reductions like Ghana for going to and 1 want to. Want to try some together?
Okay, let's start. Why not?
Sounds good. What type of content do you want to discuss this together?
Do you have possibility to create kind of content, do you mean?
I don't create content myself, but I enjoy learning from others. I think sharing knowledge is valuable. What kind of content do you focus on?
I think I already have mentioned. Did you get it? That I prepare more like content English related.
Yes, I remember. Creating English-related content is a great way to help others. What specific topics do you focus on?
Well, every day there are different topics. Each day we prefer to focus on a specific topic, and it's hard to say that which one I'm doing, but definitely every day different, sometimes mixed topic, right? So that's how I prefer. So by the way, Kevin, where did you learn English?
I learned English in school and through practice with friends and colleagues. Watching movies also helped a lot. Do you choose specific topics in English?
So how watching movies can help you? Like, how do you really prefer? Do you prefer watching it with subtitle or without subtitle?
Watching movies can improve listening skills and vocabulary. I prefer watching with subtitles. It helps with understanding and learning new phrases. How about you?
I guess that's pretty much interesting. Yeah, you may prefer sometime with and without subtitles. For me, it's totally alright. So both are interesting. When you're watching with subtitle, you understand so many new words which are totally new for you. So then I think it's pretty great.
I agree. Watching with subtitles helps a lot with learning new words. It makes understanding easier. What genre of movies or series do you prefer?
I just want to skip your question. I want to ask you, the app I'm using, this ESL app, which is free to use every day or not?
I understand. Yes, many ESL apps offer free daily usage, but check their features. Which part of the app do you find most helpful?
I'm not sure if I understood what you said. I'm saying the app which I'm using right now with you, is this app free every day for English learners? Because I'm recording this video, so whether I can suggest them or not to my subscribers to use this app for free.
Yes, this app is free for users. It's a great tool for English learners. Your subscribers might find it helpful. How do you plan to suggest it?
Here we have maybe intermediate level, advanced level, so you can try to increase this level if you want to. So, and here you can go above. There are some tips. I can tell my subscriber about an email. Maybe I can share it on the social media. I mentioned it in my next meeting. So you can also send this or speak these phrases, for example. Maybe I can share it on social media. Now we are going to simply go back here, trying to review. If you want to review them, you can try to review in play. Anyway, this is what we have talked. Sentence suggestion. If you want to ask sentence suggestion, you can try to see it here. You all are having, the sentences you have practiced.
The what? Isn't it?
Isn't it? For example,
The weather is nice. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
so you can try to practice these phrases with this intermediate or advanced level, you can see. So that's the first we talked here, and here learn with another tutor, and here test with examiner, common practice speaking level, and real life scenarios. So speaking topic, you can simply click here. Here are so many speaking topic. For example, if you want to start with beginner topics, click. You can see here so many topics are available. Suppose you want to talk about daily routine, click this one. Here you'll be having so many words for daily routine, breakfast, going to work. Try to understand one by one and try to practice it. This is a really amazing app after updating this to AI. Here are different tutors. If you want to practice, then this is more like premium version for sure. But free version is only the male version, Kevin, that we talked. Here we have a test. I'm gonna simply click test. You can see here we have examiners. Here we have a play. I'm gonna simply click play, so we have it. Don't show the guide. Okay, I don't know what is here. Display hospital. Wow. You can select one of them. Amazing. For this, I have to update anyway. But it's pretty interesting. You can go anywhere and you're going to play with it. This is also, I think I need to upgrade. Yeah. Continue with upgrade. So the person Kevin was only free and the rest of them is need to update. You can go anywhere, any shop, public and restaurant. When you click it and you go inside and you can talk about it actually. Here we have a profile. This is a free version you can see here, and all these things, tutors, chunks, real life speaking, test with the examiner. When I'm going to click here and go back to above, test with examiner, see here, for sure it not be free. Yeah, it must be premium. So the free version is only the first one as we see here. Seek advice from the procurement analyst acquiring the license for the new account software. That's it, and this is pretty simple app. You can see this, I already showed here. We have grammar checker and paraphraser and word counter. That's all from my videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of questions, feel free to message me. Thank you so much, guys. Love you.